Where vaccines are available, state health officials say people who fall under the next priority group will soon be able to get their COVID-19 shot.
This is phase 1C, people 50 and older, and that is as soon as Monday. Shatanya Clark brings us this story.
I'm glad because a lot of the young people have been affected by this COVID.
Some Wichita County residents like Glenda Arredondo and Donnell Merriex are pleased with the state's decision to expand the COVID-19 vaccine eligibility.
America trying to get back to the way it was for us going to dinner and shopping and stuff, and the more people that can get it and get it out the way, then that would be kind of helpful.
State officials say people 50 and older make up more than 93% of the COVID-19 fatalities, with those ages 50 to 64 accounting for 20% of the fatality rate. Wichita Falls, Wichita County Public Health Director Lou Kreidler says they consistently have people who call wanting to get vaccinated who aren't in an eligible group, so this is just one more step to get more individuals their shots.
Where those individuals before would have to have a pre-existing health condition, they no longer have to have that pre-existing health condition. So anyone that's in that age range that wants to be vaccinated, we can vaccinate at this point.
Starting Monday, people 50 and older will be able to sign up to get vaccinated. And Arredondo, as well as Merriex, who was once skeptical of vaccines, urges folks to be proactive.
I would suggest they get it. I mean, it's just another way of protecting yourself.
I'm one that would have been not taking it at all, but after I found out that it can save many lives, I think they should take it.
District officials are working on getting that link added to their online system, and it should be live Thursday. Now, some people in the existing eligibility groups, like John Graham, are concerned that there may not be enough vaccines for all the eligible groups, so he hopes to get vaccinated before this new priority group begins.
I've got health issues also as well, so I'm hoping that I'll get first in line, so to speak, when they start taking those requests.
Shatanya Clark, KFDX 3 News.